Movavi Video Editor is a user-friendly video editing software designed to cater to both beginners and experienced editors. It offers a straightforward interface with drag-and-drop functionality, making it easy to import, edit, and export videos. The software includes a variety of editing tools such as trimming, cutting, and merging clips, as well as options for adding transitions, titles, and special effects. Movavi Video Editor also supports advanced features like chroma key, green screen, slow motion, and reverse video effects, allowing users to create more complex and visually appealing projects. One of the standout features is the built-in media library, which provides access to a wide range of stock footage, music, and sound effects that can enhance any video project. The software also includes tools for color correction and audio editing, ensuring that both the visual and auditory elements of the video are polished and professional. Movavi Video Editor supports a wide range of input and output formats, making it compatible with various devices and platforms. Additionally, the software offers direct sharing options to social media platforms, streamlining the process of getting your videos online. Overall, Movavi Video Editor is a versatile and accessible tool that provides everything needed to create high-quality videos, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use.